There are so many women that because of how they are, their husbands are elevated. In fact, in my personal opinion, no shade to Barack Obama, but how many of you fell in love with him more because of Michelle? Michelle is clearly an incredible asset to Barack. Not because of her Harvard Law degree. Yes, that does help to know that she's such a smart woman, but because she's socially savvy. Because she can, when she has a conversation with you, because she's charismatic. And she's authentic too, right? She's her own person. She's not putting on airs. She's not pretentious. But when she connects with people, she makes them feel as if, oh my God, they're the most important person in the room from the most important person in the room. People love, and Barack knows that Michelle is part of his success. Massive part of his success.